In this video, we'll walk you through the process of uploading a list of assets to a site in DT Connect web portal. This method provides a fast and efficient way to transfer existing assets from other software or spreadsheets into the platform. Find your way to the Assets List tab on the Sites page and click Upload Assets. We've included a CSV template guide that includes more information and troubleshooting if required. Before uploading assets, you must first select a fire panel by either creating a new panel or selecting an existing one. Just remember, you can only upload assets to one fire panel at a time with this method. So select an existing panel from the drop-down if you have one, or click Add New Fire Panel to create a new fire panel asset. Use the drop-down to select your panel type and enter in the location. Once created, the panel will now appear in the site asset list and will automatically be selected. Once selected, all connected asset types, e.g. smoke detectors or cool points, when uploaded will be linked to this panel in the site asset list. These assets will then appear in the DT Connect app when testing this site. Before uploading, you'll first need to download and fill in the asset upload template provided. Here I've opened the template and filled in some example assets. Like I said, these assets will be connected to my addressable panel once uploaded, except for the emergency lighting and the extinguisher, as these are non-panel assets and therefore do not require loophole address. Once finished, save and export your file in the CSV format and head back to the DT Connect web portal to upload your file. Once your file is validated, your assets will be uploaded to the site and will be visible in the Assets List tab. If your file is rejected, you'll find the Troubleshooting section in the CSV Template guide for more information. Thanks for watching.